morning. Welcome to Pete's Garage. Today, I'll be working on the Suburban. The Suburban is running, but it has a serious miss because there's an injector circuit trouble code that's popping up, and there's an obvious miss. So, I need to fix that. I'm going to probe out the entire injector harness circuit, and then I'll check the injectors too. They were cheap Chinese ones, so it wouldn't surprise me if one of them is not working correctly. So, on to it. Well, it's the end of the day, and I think I have successfully troubleshot the injector harness circuit. Apparently, there were two cylinders that were not firing. One of them was due to a broken wire in the harness. The other one was apparently the number 7 injector circuit wasn't there. Go figure. Probably my fault. I fixed it. Now we're going to see if it runs. That is success. This engine is now good. I'm going to wrap up the harness, I'm going to get the sensors working, and then I can button it up and put it all together, because this front end is done.